guys, welcome back to my channel, and today's tutorial I will be showing you how to make this table runner or dining table mat. Okay, and okay, let's begin. Okay guys, to start with our project is I will be using my 4mm hook and my red yarn. Okay, so let's get started. To start with, we are going to make our magic ring, and then we are going to chain 3, and in the magic ring we are going to make a double crochet. Okay, so yarn over, insert into the magic ring, and yarn over, pull up, yarn over, pull through 2, and yarn over, pull through 2. So you are going to double crochet, okay, until you get to the end, or until you have 20 double crochet, and then I'll get back to you for the next step. I have done my 20. Okay, so 1 to the 3rd we're going to slip stitch. Okay, slip stitch, and from here we are going to chain 3. Okay, so in the next chain here we are going to put 2 double crochet. Okay, and to the next 2 double crochet. So we are just going to put 2 double crochet in each stitch all around. Okay, so next stitch 2 double crochet in the same stitch, so we are increasing. Okay, so do that guys. Okay, complete the row and I'll meet you back up. Okay guys, so I'm done with my row. Okay, so 1 to the 3rd we're going to slip stitch. Okay, so as you can see we have that, and we are going to do our third row. Okay, so what I will do is chain 3. Okay, and in the next, okay, single one double crochet, and in the next 2 double crochet in the same stitch, and the next 1 double crochet, and in the next 2 double crochet. Okay, so we are going to just repeat that all around. Okay, so 1 double crochet, 2 double crochet in the next. Okay, 1 2 1 2 until you complete the row. Okay guys, so I'm finished with my row. Okay, so before we do the slip stitch, okay, I'm going to change my color. Okay, so from here chain 3, and then we're just going to go around. Okay, so from here we are going to put 2 double crochet, and the 3rd one is double crochet, 2 double crochet in the same stitch, and then 1 double crochet in the next stitch, 1 double crochet in the next stitch, and 2 double crochet in the next. So we are just going to do that. Okay, and we are going to make 3 rows okay, 3 rows of the white, and then after 3 rows of white I will be changing my color, okay, into the green. Okay, so I'll get back to you guys. You finish your rows, okay, and I'll get back to you when I'm done. Okay guys, so I am done with my 3 rows of white. Now I'm going to change my yarn. Okay, so I'm going to, before I slip stitch, I'm going to change my yarn and pull that as well, and chain 3 and do a double crochet. Okay, double crochet, okay, and double crochet. Okay, so you continue that, guys. Okay, continue that double crochet all around. Okay, and I'll meet you back up when I'm finished. Hello guys, so as you can see, I have finished. Okay, I just have to cut this off and I am done. Okay, I'll do that later. Okay, hopefully you like it. Okay, thank you very much guys, and I will be doing a tutorial for coaster. Okay, so and I will try to make another one for cutlery holder as well. Okay, thank you very much guys, and if you like this video, please leave thumbs up and share my video, and if you're new, please hit that subscribe button if you want to, and that notification bell so you will get notified every time I will upload a new video. Okay, thank you guys, thank you very much, and thanks for watching. Bye.